Hi, welcome to Logic Brewery. My name is Gaurav. In the previous video, we discovered a concept called mini retirement, where you take multiple breaks during your career to follow your passion and your dreams. I received many feedbacks from my viewers saying that the approach looks fantastic, but it's not practical. So today, we are going to discover whether this approach is practical or if there are some steps by which you can achieve this. So we are going to discuss step-by-step approach by which you can achieve your goal of mini retirements. But before that, you need to ask one very basic question. What is your reason that you want to leave your job and go for a long-term break? Now this reason should not be a negative one. It should always be a positive or constructive reason. And how would you know that your reason is a positive one? It is very simple. It should not be dependent on some recent events. For example, you fought with your boss, you didn't get the expected salary hike, you are not happy with the management decisions. On a personal front, you got the heartbreak and you want to change your location, your city and your job. All these reasons are not the constructive ones. For the reason that these are the outcomes of an event which has occurred before them. And that is why you are going to regret if you take this decision. On the other hand, if you want to go and spend some time with your parents because of corporate life, you didn't get this opportunity. You want to go and spend some months in wild. If you want to explore different career options for yourself, these are the pretty good reasons. You do a lot of planning for your final retirement, and just like that, any mini retirement would also require some sort of planning. So let's talk about all the steps one by one. First is very simple. You need to calculate all your liabilities. So any car loan, house loan, personal loan, you need to jot down that figure. You must be having some investment plans, some financial policies. Break down that number to monthly part and add that number to your liabilities. Let's call this number A. And apart from that, there are some basic expenses. For example, your phone bill or petrol bill, they fall under this category. So add this amount to your A. You will get another number, let's call it B. So whether you are going to explore the world, where you are going to live in the mountains, or you are simply exploring the opportunity for a business idea, it will require some money. Now that money you should also jot down and add to your B. We are doing a monthly calculation. Let's call this figure C. Multiply your C by 1.5. Why do you need to do it? Because you are taking some buffer in your system. Things will not always go as per your plan. So that is why you need additional money in your system. Now this figure multiplied by 12 is the amount you require in order to enjoy your mini retirement. So you see, it requires planning. It is not an overnight decision. It will take some time. It may take an year or two in order to plan a mini retirement. While you are on break, you are not getting any salary. But does that mean that you cannot earn any money? Stock market, for instance, could be a wonderful medium to earn some money while you are on break. So you can generate money by the sum that you have accumulated by rotating it on a monthly or bi-monthly basis. It will not give you money equivalent to your salary, but your basic needs could be taken care of. Now you need to acquire this knowledge during your planning phase. So you see, you are not only accumulating money, but you are also accumulating knowledge in the phase when you are preparing yourself for your mini retirement. Those who invest in stock market understand the importance of stop loss. Whenever you are taking a risk, whether in life or financial instruments, you don't go beyond a certain limit, which is called stop loss. In our case, it is the time. For example, you might want to take this break for 12 months, but after 12 months, get back to corporate life, start looking for the job. And when you're away on your break, don't lose complete touch with your friends and colleagues, because these connections may help you when you want to return to your corporate life. Last but not the least, enjoy this phase, because this phase is going to teach you the best of the lessons about life and people. Use this knowledge for the betterment of your life after retirement. So that was all in this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like button, share the video. Thank you for watching.